Hello everyone, how are you today guys? So I hope you have a nice day and a great morning. Ayun, it's me again, your Calabs Joanne. So I hope today you have a nice day, you had a good sleep in the night, and you wake up in the morning with a you have a nice smile, o diba? So, you make your day to complete guys. And then you have very good coffee. 'Di ba? It makes your day to complete, guys. Ayun, wala tayong bread, guys. So, I just have a biscuit, guys. Ito lang muna, guys, kasi hindi ako nakabili doon. Kain tayo. Mag-coffee na din kayo dyan. Sa mga wala pa. So, alam ko, late na naman ako, guys, as I know. 'Di ba? Kasi, gusto ko man, guys, ayaw ko man kahit meron na, complete na, may hot water na, ayaw ko pa man magtimpla, guys, yung when I feel that I'm not feel fresh pa ba, guys. So, I need talaga, guys, na to go to a bath muna, guys. Comfort room muna ang mag-use muna ako, guys, to clean first. To feel fresh first before I face here, guys. No? That's my daily routine talaga, guys. Ganun talaga ang life ko. Kaya, feeling late na talaga ako, guys. Masarap pa din kahit medyo late na mag-coffee, guys. 'Di ba? At least, as long as nainitan na yung tiyan mo. Pero, pag ano ko, guys, uminom naman ako ng mainit na tubig. 'Di ba? Calm water to drink first. Na. Before anything else. Alis talaga, guys, no? Bakit kaya ako, guys? Napaka-charita ko man talaga, guys. Kayo dyan. I hope everyone you have a nice morning and a great day morning. And you have a wonderful day ahead, no? So, be strong, everyone. Keep safe kayo, guys. Keep growing, no? And be consistent. Yun lang ang masasabi ko, guys. So, always think positive. Don't mind the negativity, guys, no? So, always be positive in a nice way. No, ganun lang talaga tayo, guys. Ang mahalaga na wala kang taong inaapakan, 'di ba? At wala ding taong umaapak sa iyo lang. Ganun lang 'yun. It's reverse only, guys, 'di ba? Ganun dapat lang 'yun. So, we need to respect each other, no, guys? Kahit papano, no? So, yun lang masasabi ko, guys. I think very long na talaga ang story ko today. So, yun lang, guys. I hope everyone you had already a breakfast and coffee. Anything? Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day and a great day, everyone. Keep safe. See you next again. Bye. God bless.